Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make green Grinch pancakes. To make these green Grinch pancakes, I'm basically going to make a bunch of green pancakes, and then between each layer I'm going to add some green frosting. For this recipe, you will need 150 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of matcha powder, 1 egg, 250 milliliters of milk, and 15 grams of butter plus extra for greasing. First step, we are going to sift all our dry ingredients into a bowl. Flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, salt, sugar, and matcha powder, and give that a good sift. Now you may be wondering what this matcha powder is. It's basically a powder that is made from green tea leaves, and it gives these green Grinch pancakes their special colour. If you don't want to use matcha or you can't find any matcha, green food colouring will do. That smells phenomenal. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients. So 1 egg, melted butter and milk. And we're just going to mix that all together. I made about 7 to 8 pancakes with this batter. I think this recipe will serve about 2 people. This is how the mixture should look once you have finished. Now it's time to cook your pancakes. To the pan, we are going to add a little bit of our butter to grease the pan. Add half a ladleful of batter to the pan to make your pancake. I can normally fit about 3 pancakes in the pan at a time. We're going to cook our pancakes on a medium-high heat. After about a minute, or when bubbles start forming on the surface of the pancakes, they are ready to flip. When it comes to flipping their pancakes, there's a certain skill which is required that many have not mastered. Okay guys, remember to not overcook the pancakes too much, otherwise they'll turn out a sort of brown colour. And just give them about 30 seconds on the other side. And just put the pancakes in put the pancakes somewhere where they can be warm. Add some more butter to the pan and just repeat this process with the rest of the batter. Oh baby, this is looking legit, mate. I'm making a little micro pancake with my remaining batter. Aww. Now it's time to make the frosting that goes in between the pancakes. For the icing, you will need 100 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, and some warm water. Sift the icing sugar and matcha powder. It was at this point that my camera ran out of battery. What I was going to say was sift the icing sugar and matcha powder into a bowl. Gradually add the water now until the icing sugar is a sort of runny consistency. When you're done, this is what the icing should look like. Now assemble the tower of pancakes. We're going to have to work quite quickly because the icing sets quite fast. We're going to start with our base layer, our base, and now we're going to add a little bit of icing sugar just to cement it together. You only need a thin layer. Okay, boom. Next pancake, put that on top, and another bit of icing just to go in between. Okay, now, okay. We're okay. Now so we need a little bit of warm water just to keep icing liquid. This is looking good, boys. And another one. Oh no, boys, I think we've got a leaning tower. And we'll put a little baby pancake on top. Serve these pancakes with a generous splash of maple syrup and fresh fruit. I recommend kiwi. Okay, you've reached the end of the video. That was how to make green Grinch pancakes. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you later. I gotta wash all this mess up.